Hello, students. Let us go through the curriculum framework for mathematics as we are linking English with mathematics. That is the study of English and how language affects understanding of various concepts in mathematics and science. So let us go through the curriculum for mathematics. Curriculum framework for mathematics. Asset curriculum test focuses on concept understanding and application. So this is the focus on conceptual understanding and of applications. The curriculum is for maths and it is from grade 3 to grade 10. For the contextual understanding of mathematics and logical problems, one needs to understand what concepts are tested. So accordingly, the students can prepare for the examinations. Acid tests are based on outcomes expected by the previous grade. That means the grade of grade 8 acid paper covers the skills of the students expected to have mastered by the end of grade 7. So a few questions could be also be based on certain skills even from earlier grades if these skills are seen as essential for mastering the higher grade concepts. So certain skills are definitely practicable in order to close the knowledge gaps, concept knowledge and skills gaps. At times, certain questions are repeated across a few grades to primarily understand the extent to which certain misconceptions exist across grades. For example, the extent to which the understanding of a certain concept improves and does not improve the students move into higher grades. So certain concepts students tend to keep building misunderstandings because how they conceive of, on the basis of that their mistakes are based on that. So it ASSET actually analyzes these kind of errors, and such questions are placed in the question papers for across the grades to eliminate these kind of understandings or to know these kind of errors that the students have these kind of conceptual misunderstandings. Besides testing for understanding key mathematical ideas and concept, ASSET also tests for proficiency in age appropriate logical and analytical skills. They are generally tested within the context of mathematical ideas, but also through logical puzzles, visual problems, etc. It is important to know that the curriculum framework document should be seen as a guideline for learning expectations at different grades than to prepare the students for the exact outcomes. At times, it is based on students' performance data on questions and derived insights around what students can be expected to know or they do by certain grades. Asset papers may have questions to test the learning outcomes not explicitly as stated in this framework. So that means the general questions would definitely feature. The wrong options or the distractors in the questions are often framed keeping in mind the alternative conceptions students may have and the variety of thinking errors that students may take. Students' responses to these options often provide interesting insights in their thinking and their learning gaps. So be careful while you're preparing for your maths paper skills covered by mathematics across grades. These tests cover various competencies skills under four broad categories. All the skills tested under these categories are listed below. For example, the core skills, number sense, computations, and basic arithmetic. Number sense related to competency and computation skills, arithmetic operations, addition and subtraction, arithmetic operations, multiplications, arithmetic operations, multiplication and division, arithmetic operations, four basic operations, properties, factors and multiples, integers, concepts and applications, integers and rational numbers, powers and bases, rational and irrational numbers, powers and bases. Core skills, intermediate, that is concepts, geometry and algebra, fractions, concepts and applications, fractions, decimals, concepts, use and conversions, fractions, decimals and ratios, conceptions and applications, fractions, decimals, ratios and percentages, applications, pre-algebra, algebra skills, algebra concepts and applications, basic shapes and geometry, geometry concepts and applications, area and perimeter concepts and computations. Mensurations, area and perimeter, concepts and computations, mensuration area and perimeter, volume, mensuration area and perimeter, volume and surface area. Core skills, word and application problems, applications in daily life, money, time, calendar, length, etc. Applications in daily life, word, visual problems, measurement and data interpretation, analysis, concept of averages, graph reading, etc. Data application as statistics and probability. Core skills, problem solving and advanced problems. Problem solving, advanced and challenging problems will also be tested. Now, this is a general visual idea of the competencies, skills across the various grades. Have a look at it carefully. The skills number sense related to concepts, basic number and competency across from grade 3 to grade 5 and 6. Grade students of grade 5 and 6 should focus on that. Number sense related competency and computation skills from grade 7, 8, 9 and 10 on 7 onwards it is tested. Arithmetic operations, addition and subtraction, you can see grades 3 and 4. Arithmetic operations, multiplication, it is tested in grade 3. Arithmetic operations, multiplication and division, it's tested in grade 4. Arithmetic operations, 4 basic operation properties, it is tested in grades 5 and 6. Factors and multiples, grade 6 and 7. Fractions, concepts and applications, grades 4 and 5. Fractions and decimals, concepts, use of conversions, grade 6. Factors, decimals, ratios, concepts and applications, grade 7. Factor, fractions, so sorry, it's right through its fractions. I'm very sorry for the error. Fractions. Fractions, decimals, and ratios, concepts and applications, grade 7. Fractions, decimals, ratios, and percentages applications, grades 8 and 9. Integers, concepts, and applications, grade 7. Integers and rational numbers, powers, and bases, grades 8 and 9. Rational and irrational numbers, powers, and bases, grade 10. Pre-algebra and algebra skills, grade 6. Algebra concepts and applications, grades 7, 8, 9, and 10. Basic shapes and geometry, grades 3, 4, 5. Geometry concepts and applications, grades 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Proceeding further, this continues. Area and perimeters, concepts and comparisons, grade 6. Mensuration, area and perimeter, concepts and computation, grade 7. Mensuration, area and perimeter volume, grade 8. Mensuration, area and perimeter volume and surface area, grade 9 and 10. Applications in daily life, money, time, calendar, length, etc., grade 3, 4, and 5. Applications in daily life, world visual problems, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mensuration and data interpretation, grades 4 to 9. Data interpretation, statistics, probability, grade 10. Problem solving, advanced and challenging problems, grades 3 to 10. Now let us go through the content covered by Asset Mathematics. Math paper covers the following content areas from the maths curriculum: numbers, arithmetic problems, algebra, geometry, mensuration, statistics, and probability, mathematics, problem solving. The following grade-wise table describes in some details the skills are tested by Asset Maths tests. Have a look at the number sense, related concepts, and basic number competency. Let's look at the details. Reads and writes numbers from numbers to 99. Expands a number with respect to place value. Counts and regroups objects into tens and ones. Uses the concept and place value in the comparison of numbers. These are objectives or outcomes. Counts in various ways, starting from any number, group counting, etc. Arranges numbers up to 100 in ascending and descending order, forms the greatest and the smallest two-digit numbers with and without repetition of given digits. Indicates and identifies the position of an object in a line, that is ordinal numbers. Arithmetic operations, addition and subtraction, and then under that we have adds 0 to a number and subtracts 0 from a number, observes the commutative property of addition through patterns, solves addition, subtraction problems, Pretended through pictures and verbal description describes orally the situation that corresponds to the given addition and subtraction facts, estimates the result of addition and subtraction, and compares the result with another given number. Arithmetic operations, multiplication, understands situations involving repeated addition and situations involving equal sharing and multiplication facts. Applications in daily life, world visual problems, label reading, estimation of height, basic shapes in geometry, identifies 2D shapes, that is through rectangles, squares, triangle, circle by their names, identifies the basic 3D shapes such as cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere by their names, identifies and makes straight lines by folding straight edged objects, stretched strings, and draws freehand and with a ruler. Draws horizontal and vertical and straight lines. Freehand distinguishes between straight and curved lines, identifies objects by observing their shadows. Patterns in shapes creates block patterns by stamping thumbprints, leaf prints, vegetable prints, etc., identifying shapes. Applications in daily life, money, time, calendar, length, etc. The outcomes are identifies currency, notes and coins, adds and subtracts a small amounts of money, transacts the amount using 3 to 4 notes, measures lengths and distances along short and long parts using uniform non-standard units extends no to longer lengths. Compares two or more objects by their weight, appreciates the need of for a simple balance, compares weights of given objects using simple balance, compares and orders containers in terms of internal volume capacity, orders given containers as per their capacities on the basis of perception and verifies by pouring out, etc. Sequences the events occurring over longer periods in terms of dates and days, familiarity with the dates of the week and months of the year. Problem solving, advanced or challenging problems, logical reasoning, visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning, ability to deal with unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem statement and the breakdown of problems into parts, observes and extends patterns in sequence and numbers, collects data through measurement, draws interference from the data at the appropriate level. Grade 4 skills, it's very essential for grade 5, 6, 7 students to know the skills of the previous classes, number sense, related concepts, and basic number competency, reads and writes 3-digit numbers, expands a number with respect to place value regrouping, counts in different ways, starting from any number, compares numbers, forms greatest and smallest numbers using given digits, understanding of equal sign, number property, conservation of numbers, number pattern, rounding, and estimation. Arithmetic operations, addition and subtraction, adds and subtracts numbers by writing them vertically in the following two cases without regrouping with regrouping. Uses the place value and standard algorithm of addition and subtraction, estimates the sum of and difference between two given numbers, range in which some difference lies. Addition with regrouping, subtraction with regrouping, reciprocal relation between addition and subtraction. Arithmetic operations, multiplication and division, meaning of multiplication as repeated addition, constructs the multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10, uses multiplication facts and situations, multiplication multiplies two-digit numbers using standard algorithm, explains the meaning of division from context of equal grouping and sharing, relates division and multiplication, completes division facts by grouping by using multiplication tables, division with remainder. Fractions, concepts, and applications, simple fractions like 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and 3 by 4, etc. Fraction words like half, quarter, etc. This is where language comes handy. Representation of half or quarter, finding a fraction of a collection, use relation between half and quarter to find one given the other. Applications in daily life, word and visual problems, addition, subtraction, word problems, multiplication, division, word problem, visual multiplication problems, time, distance, word, visual problems, basic shapes and geometry. Under that, you have creates shapes through paper folding, paper cutting, identifies 2D shapes. How does a 2D shape look when rotated? Describes various 2D shapes by counting their sides, corners, and diagonals, views of solids. Draws some 3D objects, straight lines and curves, tiles a given region using a tile of a given shape distinguishes between shapes that tiles and that do not tile. Intuitive ideas of a map, applications in daily life, money, time, calendar, lengths, etc. Identifies common currencies, notes, and coins, converts rupee to paisa using play money, adds and subtracts among using column addition, subtraction without regrouping, makes rate charts and bills, reads the time correct to the hour, sequences events chronologically, differentiates time, reads a calendar to find a particular day and date, appreciates the need for a standard unit, measures length using appropriate standard units of length by choosing between centimeters and meters, estimates the length of a given object in estimated units, and verifies by measuring. Uses a ruler, relates centimeter and meter, and understands weighing balance, weighs objects using non-standard units, appreciates the conservation of weight, measures and compares the capacity of different containers in items of non-standard units, appreciates the conservation of volume, measurement and data interpretation. Under this, we have records data using tally marks, collects data and represents in terms of pictograph, choosing appropriate scale and unit of for display through pictographs, draws conclusions from data, table interpretation, interpretation of map and diagrams, measurement using measuring devices. Problem solving advanced and challenging problems. Under this, we have logical reasoning, visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning, which involves language to a great extent, ability to deal with the unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem stated or to break down a problem into parts. Now, coming to grade 5, and the details, that means the outcomes. Number sense related concepts and basic number competency. Number patterns, place value and addition, place value regrouping and replacing digits, ordering of numbers, rounding off. Operations for basic operations and properties, addition and subtraction, alignment when adding, subtracting, multiplication algorithm, division algorithm, larger and the divisor, smaller the quotient, estimation of multiplication and division, simple word problems on multiplication and division. Fractions, concepts, and applications. Find the fraction of a whole and comparison of simple fractions. Application of fractions, concepts 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and 3 by 4. Relation between half and quarter. Simple word problems based on fractions. Basic shapes and geometry, basic shapes, circle, center, and radius. Spatial reasoning involves number of faces, nets of solids, and symmetry, rational understanding of direction. Patterns in shapes, informal understanding of area and perimeter, tiling and tessellation. Applications in daily life, money, time, calendar, length, etc. Length, time, calendar, money, weight and capacity, measurements and data interpretation, estimation of length, length measurement, distance chart, estimation of distances and time, reading table, pictographs, informal bar charts and pie charts, unfamiliar charts. Problem solving, advanced and challenging problems, logical reasoning, visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning. Ability to deal with unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem statement and or break down a problem into parts. Proceeding to grade 6 details, we have the concepts as number sense related concepts and basic number competency, and the outcomes we have understanding large numbers, lakhs and crores, estimation, rounding, place value with regrouping up to thousands, place value by interchanging digits, number line, odd and even numbers, Arithmetic operations, four basic operations and properties, regrouping to perform operations, equivalent methods of performing operations, estimating outcomes of number situations, reciprocal relationship, uh, commutative relativity of operations, operations involving zero, multiplication algorithms, standard partial products, multiplication patterns, division algorithms, relationship between parts of a division problem, relationship between parts of a subtraction problem, fraction and multiples, understanding of factors and multiples, common factors and multiples, basic understanding of HCF and LCM, application of factors and multiples, prime numbers, factor tree. Factors and decimals concepts used in conversions, conceptual understanding of fractions, finding fractions and wholes, basic understanding of decimals, ordering of decimal numbers, decimal comparison and conversion, tens and hundreds. Contexts involving fractions and decimals, time, money, exchange rates, temperature, length, weight, etc. Geometry concepts and applications, estimation and classification of angles, angles in different orientations using a protractor, tessellations and patterns, nets of solids, views of solids, line symmetry, rotational symmetry, area and perimeter concepts and computations. Differentiate between areas and perimeter of compound shapes using grid shapes of same perimeter can have different area, vice versa. Impact of a change in area on perimeter, vice versa. Area perimeter of a square or a rectangle, area and perimeter of a grid. Recognize geometrical symmetry to find area of irregular shapes. Completes sides of a shape to make shape of certain area and perimeter, conversion of area, pre-algebra and algebra skills, understanding of the equal signs, reasoning with symbols, transposition of terms, balancing of equation, idea of a variable, rules from arithmetic, etc. Commutativity, framing an expression with symbols, context involving algebraic thinking. Applications in daily life, word visual problems, daily life problems involving arithmetic operations, applications of measurements, area, perimeter, length, weight, and capacity, daily life problems involving fractions, visual applications, measuring device, and units of time. Under measurements and data interpretation, we have tally charts, scaled pictographs, table interpretation, pie, bar, line chart, basic. Interpreting scales, reading maps, cardinal directions, informal ways of measuring volume, comparing volumes. Problem solving, advanced or challenging problems, local reasoning, visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning, ability to deal with unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem statement and or break down a problem into parts. For grade 7, the skills and the details include number sense, related competency, and computation skills, comparing numbers up to 5-digit numbers, shifting digits, place value concepts, international system of numeration, large numbers in practice, estimating to nearest 100, estimating sum or difference, estimating products, brackets, expanding brackets, Roman numerals, whole numbers, predecessor and successor, number line, addition, subtraction, multiplication, properties of whole numbers, closure, commutativity and associativity of addition and multiplication, distributivity and multiplication over addition, identity of multiplication and addition, number patterns using whole numbers, integers, concepts and applications, representation of numbers on a number line, ordering of integers, addition of integers, on a number line, additions and subtraction of integers. Factors and multiples, basic understanding, prime and composite numbers, tests of divisibility of numbers, divisibility by 10, 5, 2, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9, and 11. Common factors and common multiples, prime factorization, factor tree, HCF and LCM. Fractions, decimals, and ratios, concepts and applications. Fractions, conceptual understanding, proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Equivalent fractions, simplest form of a fraction. Comparing fractions, like and unlike fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions, like and unlike. Decimal tenths and hundreds, representing decimals on a number line. Interconversion of fractions and decimals. Comparing decimals using decimals, money, length, and weight, addition and subtraction of decimals, basic understanding of ratio and proportion, unitary method, geometry concepts and applications, point, line segment and line, parallel lines and rays, curved lines, polygons, angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, and circles, measuring line segments, angles, right, acute, obtuse, and reflex, perpendicular lines, classification of triangles, three-dimensional shapes, faces, edges, and vertices, making symmetrical figures, figures with two and more lines of symmetry, reflection and symmetry, constructing line segments and perpendicular bisectors, constructing angles and bisectors of angles, mensuration area and perimeter, conceptual understanding of perimeter, concepts computation, perimeter of rectangle and other rectangular shapes, conceptual understanding of area, area of a square and rectangle, area of compounded shapes, algebra concepts and applications, matchstick patterns, use of variables in common rules, geometry, arithmetic, framing expressions with one variable, using expressions practically, equation and solution of an equation in one variable, applications in daily life, world visual problems, mensuration, area concepts, ratio concepts, same unit of comparison. Measurement and data interpretation, recording data, organizing data, pictographs, tally marks, bar graphs, drawing and interpretation, interpreting tables, problem solving, advanced and challenging problems, logical reasoning, visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning, ability to deal with unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem statement or break down a problem into parts. For grade 8, the skills and details are number sense related competency and computation skills, large numbers involving decimals, lakhs, crores, millions, etc., and numbers in their standard forms, multiplication and division via number between 0 and 1. Remainder of a division problem, divisibility tests, odd, even, parity, properties of operations, factors and multiples, LCM, HCF, rounding, reciprocal relationships. Integers and rational numbers, powers and bases, denoting positive and negative integers on the number line, properties of integers, commutativity, closure, associativity, additivity. Operations on integers, multiplications and divisions, or properties of operations on integers. Positive and negative rational numbers, concepts of a rational numbers on a number line, rational numbers in standard form, comparison of rational numbers, density of rational numbers, operations on rational numbers, conceptual understanding in exponents, laws of exponents, expressing large numbers in standard form. Factors, decimals, ratios, and percentages, and applications of these concepts. Multiplications of fractions, divisions of fractions, multiplication of decimal fractions, division of decimal fractions, decimal place value, comparing decimal fractions, concepts of ratios, relation with fractions, equivalent ratios, meaning of percentages, converting decimals to percentage, converting percentage to fractions or decimals, converting percentage to how many, increase or decrease as percent, buying and selling, simple interest, basic proportion, profit or loss as a percentage, geometry concepts and applications, related angles, complementary, supplementary, adjacent, linear, vertically opposite, intersecting lines, transversal, parallel lines, angles made by transversal, equilateral, and isosceles triangles, median, altitude of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle and its properties, and angle, some property of a triangle, Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle, right angled triangles, and Pythagoras property, congruence of plane figures, angles, line segments, triangles, criteria for congruence of triangles, congruence among right angled triangles, line symmetry, rational symmetry, plane figures, and solid shapes, nets for building 3D shapes, faces, edges, and vertices, viewing different sections of a solid, spatial reasoning, mensuration area and perimeter, volume area and perimeter of squares and rectangles, areas of a parallelogram, area of a triangle, area and circumference of a circle, conversions of units, areas and perimeters of irregular compound shapes, applications. Algebra concepts and applications. What is an equation? Solving an equation, opening brackets for from solution to equation, balancing an equation, applications of simple equations to practical situations. How are algebraic expressions formed? Terms of an expression, framing an expression for a given contexts, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial, like in unlike terms, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, finding the value of an expression using algebraic expressions, formulae, and rules, framing expressions on geometrical and number patterns, applications in daily life, word visual problems, ratios, percentages, fractions, proportional reasoning, word problem involving arithmetic operations, money, length, visual reasoning, measuring device and units of time, measurement and data, interpretation, collecting, organizing, representing data, arithmetic means, mode, median, range, chance and probability, equivalent ways of representing data, identification of appropriate graph scales of a given scenario, interpretation of tables, graphs including bar, line, pre-stacked bar, clustered bar, multiple line, etc. Problem solving, advanced or challenging problems, logical reasoning or visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning, ability to deal with unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem, statement or a breakdown or a problem into parts. Proceeding to grade 9, number sense, related competency and computation skills, numbers in general forms, letters or digits, divisibility by 4, 6, 7, and 8, reasons for tests of divisibility by 10, 5, 2, 9, and 3, classification of number sets, natural whole integers, rational, irrational, real subsets, operations involving decimals, estimation of results of operations, numbers patterns, operations involving variables, comparing quantities, integers and rational numbers, powers and bases, identifying rational numbers, properties of rational numbers, closure, commutativity, associativity, negative of a number, role of 0 and 1, reciprocal rational numbers, location of a number line, finding rational numbers between two rational operations, between two rationals, operations on rational numbers, negative and reciprocal of a rational number, properties of square numbers and their unit digit, etc., patterns with square numbers, finding the square of a number without actual multiplication, Pythagoras triplets, finding square roots by different methods, repeated subtraction, prime factorization, division method, and estimating square roots of decimals, estimating square roots of numbers, adding consecutive odd numbers, patterns in cubes and their prime factors, cube roots of a cube number, finding cube root, prime factorization, group of digits, powers of negatives, exponents, laws of exponents, using components to express numbers in standard form, comparing very large and very small numbers, fractions, decimals, ratios, and percentage applications. Under this, we have direct proportion, inverse proportion, conversions between decimals, fractions, percentages, concepts of fractions, concepts of ratios, concepts of percentages, finding increase and decrease percent, finding discounts, estimation in percentages, profits and loss, sales tax, value added tax, compound interest, concepts and formula, rate compounded semi-annually, geometry concepts and applications, identification and classification of polygons, angles, some property of a polygon, interior and exterior, sum of measures of exterior angle of a polygon, kinds of quadrilaterals, elements, angles, diagonals of a parallelogram, special parallelograms, angles between parallel lines constructing quadrilaterals, that is four or three sides given. Adjacent sides and three angles are known, three sides and two included angles are given. Special cases: identification of regular and compound solids, viewing of 3D or solids, mapping, face, edges and vertices, triangle properties, congruence, etc., triangle inequality. Mensuration area and perimeter, volume and surface area, perimeter, there is area of compound shapes, area of trapezium, area of general quadrilateral, area of special quadrilaterals, rhombus and parallelogram, area of polygon, surface area of cube, cuboid cylinder, surface area of compound shapes, volume of cube, cuboid cylinder, volume and capacity. Algebra concepts and applications. Under that, we have solving linear equations with one variable and one side, equation-based word problem without or with real-life context. Solving linear equations with one variable on both the sides, equation-based word problems without the real-life context. Reducing equations to simpler forms, reducing equations to linear forms, framing algebraic equations, number line, and an expression. Basic terms and definitions: coefficients, term, constant, degree, zero, polynomial, monomial, binomial, and trinomial, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, multiplying two or more monomials, multiplying monomial and polynomial, multiplying polynomial with polynomial, check limits in textbooks. Algebraic identities to the second degree, factorization of algebraic expressions, common factors, regrouping using identities, factors of the form a plus x and a minus b, divisions of a monomial by monomial, division of polynomial by a monomial, division of polynomial by a polynomial, reasoning with variables. Applications in daily life, word, visual problems, algebra concepts, fractions, percentage concepts, ratio and proportion, geometry concepts, interpretation questions, visual questions, measurement and data interpretation, organizing data, group frequency distribution, pictograms, pie charts, probability of an event, graphical representation, basic interpretation and calculation by using histograms, pie charts, double line graphs, double bar graphs, choosing appropriate bar graphs for a given context, Cartesian plane, coordinates, and averages. Problem solving, advanced or challenging problems, logical reasoning, visual reasoning, mathematical reasoning, ability to deal with unfamiliar problems, ability to comprehend a problem statement or break down a problem into parts. For grade 10, it is on the screen. The students may read. Pause the video and read the concepts listed over here. Students are requested to like the video so that it gets added up in their liked videos and you can refer it for your practice. And those who are new on the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification of my next video. All the students, thank you very much for your kind attention.